Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are in Amarillo, Texas, and we are installing the new Extended Suite sign, and this is going to be Extended Suites Amarillo. Now, it's a bit windy today, so they're not going to be able to get the really large one, which is over on the ground over here, but it's going to be pretty awesome, and it's going to go right up there on top of that one, so it's huge. And we've already got the open sign. It's a great looking property. We're going to be painting this property, and Tom's going to just do really well. It's a beautiful property. It's got a pool, fitness center, it's interior corridor, 96 rooms, and these guys are getting it done, and it's right on the highway. We have an amazing location here, okay? So a lot of traffic, a lot of walk-in. But what I like about this, with the couple of signs that we have, the visibility that this property has is going to be really nice, especially when we're done lighting it up the way, you know, the way that Extended Suites lights up its hotels. So anyway, we're just taking a few pictures, videos, progress video, and the very first Extended Suite sign has gone up. So we're excited to see this puppy when it's completely done, and these guys are rocking and rolling. All right, we'll shoot another video here just a little bit from Extended Suites in Amarillo, Texas. We'll see you on the next one.